Hello and welcome to this presentation on the Drive Zero Irish demonstration project. My name is Patrick Daly. I'm the principal investigator on the project in the Dublin School of Architecture, TU Dublin. Drive Zero is a Horizon 2020 funded project on driving decarbonisation of the EU building stock by enhancing a consumer-centred and locally based circular renovation process. And in this presentation, I'm going to give you an overview of the Irish demonstrator case. So as a high-level overview, Drive Zero incorporates the following aspects. Firstly, it's seeking to advance deep energy retrofit in the EU building stock. Secondly, it's proposing to promote that through industrial scale off-site modularized manufacturing. Thirdly, it's proposing to implement that on the principles of circularity in buildings and construction. And lastly, it's seeking to develop a user-centric approach and alternative business models. The Drive Zero concept is based on developing circular, deep renovation solutions and supporting consumer-centric business models for 7 specific study and demonstration cases as real environments. The project is a demonstration project seeking to promote circular modularized deep renovation. And at the heart of that is the development of modularized circular construction and system elements, both two-dimensional in the plane, wall, roof, floor, etc., and also three-dimensional add-ons, extensions or pods. A key and innovative part of the project is the centrality of circularity in the design and realization of the retrofit projects, both on a technical cycle and also on a biological cycle. A key challenge, therefore, of the project is the development, design and realization of three-dimensional and two-dimensional deep retrofit components that are designed on the concept of circularity. The project's definition and scope of circularity includes both energy and materials, where a theoretical 100% circular process will be based on 100% renewable energy input into that process and all stages and cycling, in infinite material cycling or relooping, and lowest quality loss possible within the circularization. Some key strategies proposed within the Drive Zero project in relation to circularity are firstly, number 1, the mining of existing materials and resources from the construction or other sectors for potential reuse within the retrofit demonstrator, or a bio-based circularity where bio-based materials or bioengineered materials are utilized within the demonstrator. And of course, the demonstrator itself would need to be circular, allowing the application and the disassembly of materials, components, and elements for reuse or application elsewhere. The project is divided into 7 work packages. Work package 1 being management and coordination. Work package 2, which is a current focus, circular technology and concept development. Work package 3, circular process and production development. Work package 4, performance monitoring and user information. Work package 5, consumer-centered business models and financing. Work package 6, smart impact measuring and feedback from demonstration. Work package 7, communication, dissemination and training. We are now 1 year into the project with all work packages commenced. A key current focus is on concept development, and also on circular process and production development. The Irish project partners and team are made up as follows. The project partners include TU Dublin, Dublin School of Architecture as the academic partner and principal investigator. Coady Architects are working as the industry liaison and design partner. We're working in partnership with Vision Built as the modularised manufacturer and Westmeath County Council as the building owner. And we have in place overseeing the project and providing input a national advisory board made up of key stakeholders. The demonstration project will be taking place here in County Westmeath in partnership with Westmeath County Council, who have shortlisted a range of potential properties that are in need of retrofit and upon which design development is taking place. Vision Built, who are owned by CISC, are an off-site manufacturer specialising in light gauge steel, structural, wall, roof and floor elements. They've been engaged into the project to develop, supply, deliver and install enhanced circularised wall, roof, floor and complete volumetric components. So we are now currently working with Vision Built CISC to assess their current construction offering and propose a transition to a circularised, modularised solution. The Irish project has contributed to one of the first deliverables within the project so far. That's deliverable 6.1, benchmarking on circularity on the demonstration sites. This deliverable includes a review of assessment methods and concepts. It includes an initial assessment on circularity of the case studies based on the existing pre-retrofitted dwellings. And it raised a number of issues and challenges in relation to circularity assessment, notably issues around definition and scope of circularity, the diverse range of indicators being used, the complexity of assessing design for disassembly, the diversity and lack of data sources, and the ability, therefore, to cross-compare. Detailed monitoring action plans have been developed for both hard and soft monitoring. For hard monitoring, there's proposals for detailed pre- and post-intervention monitoring, including energy, comfort, air quality, etc. And for soft monitoring, there's engagement with the owners and the users both before and after interventions being proposed. The project is now focusing on concept design development, not only looking at two-dimensional fabric upgrade of wall and roof, but also looking at three-dimensional volumetric add-ons that may be suitable for the Irish house typology. Explorative studies are being undertaken on the 2D wall and roof elements to propose alternative circularized constructions and utilizing bio-based materials. The project is developing within the context of COVID-19, and proposals for the demonstration case are being adapted and amended to suit the changing situation, where we've seen the front of housing to be used for social interactions and safe visiting, etc. In that context, the PI has proposed the concept of a COVID shelter, seen here, which would facilitate a safe and sheltered visiting and connection space to facilitate social interactions and visiting. So we're only year one into a 4-year project, and we hope to have further information and results from you as the project progresses. You can get further information on the project from the www.drive0.eu website or from me, Patrick Daly at tudublin.ie. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation.